Today we're going to talk about multiplication, and as I said before, you like and share, and remember to subscribe so you can see more of these mathematics topics that can help. Like, suppose your boss asks you a question, 12 times 12, how do you multiply fractions? Sometimes you don't even remember. I mean, these two short topics can help you to remember how to do these questions that your boss asks you about. Sometimes you're trying to get a job, and most of the jobs that you get, they do a little test, like a little maths or English tests, normally simple topics like these. So it helps in different ways. So remember to subscribe, like and subscribe. So today we're going to talk about multiplication of fractions. So first fraction that we're going to talk about, 5/8 times 3/7. So 5/8 times 3/7, the fraction, these two types of fractions are proper fractions, and we're not seeing any common factor that is present here that can go into any of these numbers. So we go ahead and multiply 5 times 3, 8 times 7. So 5 times 3 is 15, and 8 times 7 is 56. This is pretty easy. So in this case, you're just gonna go ahead and multiply. There's nothing that can cancel each other. So you go ahead and multiply, and we're gonna move over to another type of fraction, same multiplication, and you're asked to simplify 2/5 times 3 and 2/3. So it's 2/5 times 3 and 2/3. Now, as I always say, it's much easier to work your question when you change the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So it's 2/5 times 3 is 9, plus 2 gives you 11/3. So this is much easier to work with. So there is no common factor here that can divide into each other. So we just go ahead and multiply through 2 times 11 as reflected here, 5 times 3 as shown here. So 2 times 11 is 22, 5 times 3 is 15. Now they ask you to simplify your answer, simplify your question. So what we're going to do is, this is an improper fraction, and so we're going to change it to a mixed fraction. So 15 into 22 goes one time, and the remainder is 7/15. So our answer is 1 and 7/15. Quite easy, quite easy.